Hey everybody, this is Mr. CaReview here. Just wanted to give you guys some updates as far as what's going on with the channel and what we're doing here in the near distant future. If anybody follows my Instagram at CaReviews_, you will see that there is a new accomplice into the Sanctuary of J. There is a brand new car that we have that I recently purchased. It is a 1990 Volvo 740 GL non-turbo, otherwise known as Volvasar, which if you go on Instagram and you type in at Volvasar, you will see what this car looked like, or what it looks like. I recently purchased it from the owner. It was not running when I bought it, and I put a fuel pump in it, diagnosed a fuel pump, and put one in. Here comes a little puddle right quick. Maybe another one right here. Nope, okay. And so yeah, so Volvasar is now mine. I own Volvasar outright. I'm not really gonna say what I paid for it, even though most people could kind of figure it out on their own. But yeah, it is my new project car, aside from Project Fox, which I still need to find a location to start working on that car. But Volvasar does run and drive, so hello officer. We're gonna make a lot of videos with this car. I already have a couple point of view drives of it, my basically first impressions of driving it. That video will probably be up sometime this week. I haven't really decided what I want to do with it yet. The original motor, the B230F, in its heyday made a whopping 114 horsepower and 150 foot-pounds of torque. I doubt it makes that now. I have no idea how many miles are on this car. Basically half of anything in this car works. It is an ongoing project. It's something that in due time you will definitely see more of, per se. It's going to be an interesting car, to say the least. I kind of want to do a drift missile build. I kind of want to just kind of keep it as a little rat rod daily-ish of some sort. I don't know. I mean, I'm open to suggestions. What do you guys think? What do you think I should do with Volvasar? I'm always open to hearing what other people would do with a little jalopy like that. So, in other news, I've got a new review that's going to be coming out in the next week or so. That is a 2012 Subaru Forester. My buddy Jason that owns the 2005 Ford Ranger XLT, well, it's totaled. That's actually the second car on CaReviews that has been totaled that I've reviewed. The other one was the 2013 Chevrolet Sonic that I reviewed, which actually hasn't done very well at all in terms of views per se, which is fine. I understand that most people probably do not want to watch a video on a 2013 Chevrolet Sonic, but it's there. It's only a little 5-minute clip or a 5-minute review, so you know, if you don't really have anything else to do for 5 minutes of your life, you can watch that video. Any sort of commentary or acknowledgement is always greatly appreciated. I know a lot of people think that I'm trying to copy regular car reviews, and realistically, I'm not. I like the style of videos that he does, but Mr. Regular and myself are two completely different individuals. Not to mention, we are in completely different generation brackets. So a lot of the references that he makes are towards his generation, or maybe even a younger generation, and a lot of the references that I make are towards my generation or an older generation, or maybe even a younger generation as well. I just wanted to clear that up. Like, I love the style of videos that he does, and for people to just kind of go out of their way and say that I copy him, I mean, you know, you can think that, but that's not necessarily the case. I mean, I have not actually verbatim quoted him per se in any of my videos that I've made. I write and produce all of the videos that are on this channel myself. I can see how people would think that I'm copying Mr. Regular, but no, like, that's not my intention at all. I just happen to like the style of videos that he does, and quite frankly, there are not a lot of other YouTubers out there that do these type of car review videos. You know, with that being said, if there's something else, if there's some other style videos that you guys want me to experiment with, I'm all open for suggestions. I mean, the point of this channel is to grow. It's not to kind of keep the same thing going on. I mean, that's why you end up having things like Matt Farah doing 600 one takes and him wanting to do more with that. And I get it. I mean, after a while, when you play the same tune, you want to change it up a bit. So I'm all for suggestions. Please like, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think. If you like these videos, great. You know, I will continue to make them. And if you don't like them, then please tell me why you don't like them. I'm a very open-minded individual. I'm always open to hearing other people's opinions and thoughts and beliefs on what they want to see on the channel. Other than that, aside from the project car that we've got going on, we've got another review coming up. I have kind of taken a little bit of a hiatus from car reviews. I know some people might not have, or may not have noticed, but for like pretty much the month of January, kind of into the beginning of February, there really wasn't anything posted on car reviews. The last video prior to this 2004 Honda Accord EX that I just reviewed was the 2017 Corvette, and the only video that was in between that was me flying a drone, which if you have not seen that video, I will tag that in the description as well. It is pretty funny. I fly this brand new drone that I have for the first time and end up getting it lost into the woods. All the reactions are genuine. None of that was staged. It was all completely on the fly. I will put a link in the description box for that. If you haven't already, you can follow CaReviews on Twitter at Sanctuary of J. You can follow me on Instagram at CaReviews_ and see more progression on the Helga Volvasar build. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate all the people that have made car reviews a possibility. Without you guys, none of these things would have happened. I never would have thought in the almost year that I have done this that I would have over, 30 or 40 videos. Thank you everybody that has made car reviews a possibility. You were greatly appreciated. I really can't thank you enough. So I'm actually going to be doing what I call a car re-review of the Taurus. I have done some things to the Taurus since I have owned it, and since I made the video of it about a year, I wouldn't say a year ago, but it was last year. Last year when I made that video, there's been a couple different things that have changed from it, so we're going to make some videos on that. Aside from that, thank you everybody for watching. I really appreciate everybody, and here's to a wonderful and great 2018. Thanks, guys. A Volvo. My goal is to review one of those this year as well. Maybe we'll get to do that this year. We'll see. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day wherever you're at, and if it's your birthday, happy birthday. So, thanks, Mr. Car Review.